There's a world of 3D content out there, as well as an ocean of 3D file formats. Much of it is free to use or available at a low price. What if you want to share it on Facebook, add it to your designs in Photoshop, enrich your article on Wikipedia, embed it into your website, but have no idea how? What if you don't want to buy expensive software and spend weeks learning how to use it? You use Trila. Trila converts 3D content into the format you need. Here's how it works. Download your 3D content, upload it to Trila. Choose which program or platform you're targeting. Optionally choose to optimize and clean. And upload. Let the magic happen and wait for the email with the download link. Download your content and use, share, or publish. It's that easy. Trila, 3D for you.